Young children have a way of wanting to do everything right there amongst the bigger kids, even when their coordination and balance aren't quite on the same level. "I do it," is basically the mantra of 2- and 3-year-olds. From my experience, at least. Because of this, parents find themselves always on and ready to pounce into action, whether their little ones need a sneaky helping hand, someone to catch them as they fall, or comforting when a spill inevitably does happen. And royals are no exception. That's because Princess Charlotte fell on the palace balcony, and Kate Middleton's mom Reflexes are gulls. In case you missed it, the annual Trooping of the Colour, a parade celebration of Queen Elizabeth II's birthday, was held Saturday in London. The royal family was standing on the balcony of Buckingham Palace during the flypast when Princess Charlotte lost her footing and started to stumble backward, ET Online reported. Luckily, though, it was Mom to the rescue. The Duchess of Cambridge was able to reach out an arm to steady her daughter before she actually fell. Although it isn't clear whether the little princess bonked her face on the balcony as she slipped. Regardless, the 3-year-old was clearly a bit freaked out by the stumble, and Middleton scooped her up in her arms to comfort her. If you watch closely in the video below, you can see the near fall happen shortly after the 2:08 mark. Middleton, like always, handled it all without skipping a beat. She quickly diffused the situation by comforting her daughter, who went right back to enjoying the celebration after some snuggles from Mom. And although it was just a tiny blip during the Trooping of the Colour, royal fans definitely noticed. Princess Charlotte was falling down and banged her little face on the balcony, one Twitter user wrote. Catherine has quickly taken her daughter up and comforted her. It's just a confirmation how great she is as a mum and how solicitous she is in general. So basically what every other mum does when their child falls, another Twitter user pointed out. Shout out to all the great mums out there. Not just Kate, I have to admit, this person does have a point.